Saan punta?
Birthday.
Birthday mo bukas? Dito ka. Hi.
Diba kaya ram tingin daw? Wow. Happy birthday, Rainel.
Ayan na, paalis na ang bibi. Saan ka pupunta?
Saan ka pupunta? Sakay ka ba ng airplane?
Saan galing?
Saan ka galing?
Saan galing? Saan galing?
Saan ka galing?
Tatang. Saan ka punta?
Saan ka punta daw? Saan ka?
Oh, birthday mo bukas?
Naulag?
Hi! Ay ka naman dun! Hi! Mami! Mami! Hi!
Sila? Tatang. Sasakay ng
Mamaya ko may mag-assist.
Siya ng pulas eh.
Naubos ang eroplano kaya magbabas na lang. Nak, ito na sasakyan natin. Ayun na, bas na kami.
Pwede pa?
Dulo siya.
Tulo ka?
Nak. Hi.
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under.
Safety and comfort is always our priority. Request all guests to pay attention to announcements from your flight deck and cabin crew.
Yay! Alas 12 na. Alas 12 na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Tulog ang birthday girl. Good job, Captain. Thank you. Si Mother Earth. Birthday oh. Ayan oh. Okay, nandito na kami sa aming bahay na tutuluyan. Ang birthday girl nasa Palawan na.
Birthday!
Ayan ang aming room. Isa, grabe init. Ayun yung sasakyan namin. Birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Birthday ko sa'yo. Oo.
Nak. Dito kami ngayon sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Ayan, napakaganda ng araw dito. Ayan yung sasakyan namin. Good morning.
Birthday mo yan eh. Oo.
Wow, ayos ang handa ah.
Handa gusto mo.
Golot ang handa at
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Apo, 2 days. 2 days dito, 2 days na Emilio, 2 days sa ako. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. First destination, Mitras Rancho. Ito ang aming parking lot. Ano si birthday girl? Tulog.
Tulog.
Mitras Rancho. Ganito. Tulog ang birthday girl. Kailangan nakapaa. Okay, andito na tayo sa Baker's Hill. Ayan ang mga lolo't lola at ang birthday girl.
Wow! Ganda na. Ebe,
Ay.
Nako, ebe, ha?
Bako kilikili. Dali, punta doon. Hi. Yay. Tatakot siya. Yan, peacock.
Diyan, picture ka dyan.
Hi.
Hello, Lionel! Ayaw niya. Lionel! Tara dito, inaanay niya, no? Ay, malabo. Takot siya. Happy ka? Happy ka na?
Wow, ang ganda na ito. Natural. Yay! Whee! One more? Okay na?
Hi, Tay! Hi!
Shrek! Shrek! Oh, tingin ka sa camera, nak.
Oh, Shrek!
Shrek.
Wow!
Dito, picture tayo, malaking Shrek.
Doon, pumunta ka doon.
Dito, malaking Shrek.
Oh, pipicture ako kayo dyan.
Halika Mars, tatlo tayo, halika naman.
Ayaw!
Ayaw na.
Ayaw na.
Ayaw.
Yan, parang naka-blue.
Wow! Dito kami ngayon sa Butterfly Eco Garden and Tribal Village. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Palawan. Ito nga pala ang mapa ng Palawan. Ayan. Ayan ang buong mapa ng Palawan. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa dito tayo ngayon. Bukas pupunta tayo ng El Nido. El Nido. Punta tayo ng Nakpan Beach. Dito yung Nakpan Beach. Tapos pagpauwi ito sa Fort Barton. Yan. Diyan tayo. Okay, papasok na tayo. Entrance. Siyempre, ang entrance, yan yung pasukan pag sinabing entrance, ha?
Okay, so before you go inside po, let me introduce to you first the Pride of Palawan. So yan po ang Palawan Tikak Peasant, locally known as Santikan. Endemic or sa Palawan lang po natin makikita pero endangered na. Andun po siya sa dulo. So, yan po yung lalaki nandun sa dulo.
Yung blue.
Yes po, yung blue.
Yan yung mga butterfly. Ay, butike. Ano yan? Butike?
Sobrang laki.
Ay, butike. Ayan, oh.
Ano naman yan?
Maliit na crocodile.
Sa buong Pilipinas po, dito na sila matatagpuan sa Palawan.
May ano mo, yung ano mo palad mo. Ayan. Ayan, oh.
Wow!
Bibi.
Ikaw na lang mag-video.
Laking daga.
Daga?
Yan po ang Palawan
Ay, ito.
Big, locally known as Baboy Ramo po yan.
Ayan, ayan yung ano, ganyan. Diyan ako nabalita ni Mike Enriquez dahil sa baboy ramo na yan.
May balbas po ang ating baboy ramo sa Palawan. May balbas na ka! So, po, dito lang po yan sa Palawan matatagpuan ang baboy ramo na mayroong
May balbas.
Ah, oo nga, no. Ito na.
Nag-viral, kinagat ng ganyan.
Sa Mount Apo.
Sa Mount Apo. Sa 24 oras.
Wow! Ang daming butterfly.
Ang daming butterfly.
Dito po aakit po kayo sa tribal.
Ang dami, no? Ang dami. Saan pa? Saan pa? Hanap pa tayo, hanap pa. Ito, hari. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Yes, butterfly. Ito, dami sila. O, yan, o. Ayan, o. Dami.
This one is banana.
Ang ganda,
This one
o.
po, ito po ang banana yan po, sir. Banana with sugar solution po yan. Alternative food for our butterfly. Yes. And this one, ito po ay sting bee. Hindi po yan siya langaw. Sting bee po yan siya. Nag-release po yan siya ng honey. Ang honey niya po ay maalat.
Ah, yun, okay.
Bilang tayo pictures po dito ang ako na ito natin.
Mag-store mo na lang.
And this one po, tinatawag natin na third eye cycle po ng ating butterfly. Yan po ay
Ano yan?
pupa or
Cycle ng
chrysalis.
butterfly.
Yes, third eye
Live
cycle.
yan? Live?
Yes po, totoo po yan sila, sir. Ito kanina,
Bawal hawakan lang.
nag-hash po yan siya, wala na yan siya naman.
Aba, dinidikit niyo po siya dyan?
May breeder po tayo, sir. Naglagay na po ng small amount of glue dito para mas makita niyo sila in person.
Ah, okay. Ang galing.
Yung breeding area po, madadaanan niyo dito pag pupunta po kayo na tribal village.
Pero buhay po yan?
Yes po, ma'am. Bawal po hawakan, ma'am. Yes. Ay, wag na po hawakan.
Wag bawal doon hawakan.
Ito lang po kasi wala na itong naman. But sure po may mga laman yan.
Parang mga itlog.
Ayan po ay pupa or chrysalis. Iba po
Kukon yata ang tawag
Kahit
dyan.
po, kami sila bago yan. Yes po. Adult po yung tawag sa
No, good yan, oh.
Takot ka ron.
Padali, ayun, oh.
No daw. No daw. No daw.
This one, tinatawag po natin itong Malay Giant Scorpion. Matatagpuan po sila dito sa Milanda, Palawan. Mostly
giant?
sa southern part
Hindi pwede
of
hawakan yan?
Palawan. For now po, bawal siyang hawakan kasi buntis yan.
Okay.
Aggressive po ang mga buntis na scorpion. And this one, tinatawag po natin,
Parang centipede.
yes, Giant Millipede.
Asan siya?
Ayun.
Oo nga, no. Ito siya. This
Bawal
one.
lang po yan siyang hawakan.
Ayun, no.
Bawal po siyang hawakan kasi kung nasaktan po yan siya,
Nangangagat.
naglilis po yan siya ng mabahong amoy. Toxic po yun.
Masakit kagat niya.
Ayoko niyan. Baala siya sa buhay niya.
Kinakagat ka niyan, tumataas yung gulo.
Gently daw, gently. Baba mo gently. Baka magalit.
Ah. Abay. Wow. Galing. Uy.
Laki niya.
Ang ganda.
Malaki.
Oo nga. Ayos, ang galing. Papasok na tayo ng tribal village. Makita natin yung mga katutubo.
Ma'am, sir, tatawid po kayo ng kalsada. May signs ng tribal village. Doon pa kayo papasok.
Uy, crocodile. Yun, oh. Sarap, oh. Oh, si crocodile na.
Welcome and good afternoon to all. So here, we'll just have a 10 to 15 minutes cultural sharing together with them. It's my name is Harold. I'll be your interpreter. Since the tribes here, they have their own dialect. They call that Palauan. They can understand Tagalog, but they prefer using their own dialect. Mama, Nina, tumagna na. They said manungang mapon, which means good afternoon to you. If you want to greet them good afternoon also, try to say, manungang mapon gasi. Try it.
Manungang hapon kasi.
Manungang mapon gasi. So, in the mainland of Palawan, we have three major tribes. The Batak, the Tagbanwa, and last are the Palauan. They are the original inhabitants of the southern part of Palawan. And they are the possible descendants of the Tabunman, the caveman that lived here in Palawan for thousands of years. This place is their temporary home. It became their shelter since 1976. They come and go here. They sell their handmade products. Some of them just visit here, stay for a couple of months, weeks, or a few nights, depending on how long they want to. After that, they go back at the mountains, and that's 200 kilometers away from here. It's a bit far, but don't worry because they have access to our land transportation. So they have better way to come here, come and go. And actually, they just bring their handicrafts or handmade products. So this is a lively program because we noticed that cultures are slowly disappearing, nawawala because of the modernization. With this program, we help them and we encourage them to continue to share their traditions and the rich cultures. Sige, pabirin na bagtik. Meron siya ipapakita pang hawakan daw po, sir. Makihawakan. Please hold it to everyone, then pass it to your seatmates and at the back. Pwede niyo siyang amuyin, picturean, gawin ng kahit ano, huwag niyo lang pong ibag, okay? Joke lang. So, that thing that you're holding right now, try to guess what is it.
Hold.
Guess it. Guess what's your holding right now.
Ano to?
So, try
Stalactite?
again.
Stalactite, stalagmite.
Try again. Try again, sir.
Rock, pero rock.
It's not stone.
Ah, okay.
Try again.
It's not stone.
Kahoy, imposible.
Yes,
Oh.
it's a resin
Oo.
from Almasiga tree.
Wow, very good ka, mama.
So, Almasiga is a large
Oh.
tree that can be found in the mountains of Palawan, at least 2,000 feet above sea level and higher. That's the main ingredient in making paints, pintura, especially varnish, fiberglass.
Okay.
Your nail polish, if you have nail polish, that's the main ingredient. This is your nail polish right now. And other related products. And this is a flammable resin. This is where they put their products. So they don't bring this by hand. They have their native backpack where they put that resin. They call that bagtik.
Nak.
They call this backing.
Are you okay, Nak?
If it is full, they just simply tie the back so the products won't fall. Like that. He said if it is heavy, no problem. They have the head support to carry more weight. Aside from the shoulder strap, they have that head support. Nagbuot nila, sana mo bibit mo nga? He said he can carry 40 kilos
Wow,
of this resin.
strong.
That depends on how
Good.
far from up in the mountains they bring it
Nako,
down and they
nako.
travel far to bring it
Ambon.
here. Sir, tinawag niyo siyang Wow. That's his nickname.
Ah,
His name is very hard to pronounce.
Wow.
But we name, I give him Wow because he was a child before. They were just come and go. When he was a child, it is his first time joining this program. He was just playing his guitar. He was really good at playing this guitar. So one of our visitors is amazed by his skills and called him Wow. Starting that day, we called him
wow. Hi, wow.
and they're music lovers, that's why we have their instruments. The gimbal, the native drum. Gimbal is a hollow wood they carve. And then on top, this is an animal skin.
Oh,
At the back, we have that sanang, the larger one is agong. If you hear that echo in the mountains, that means they're communicating with the spirits of their ancestors. So they will play now all together. They call it basal. Basal the music.
Nak.
Oh, that's there.
Nice,
Clap,
Ben.
clap, clap, clap.
Clap your hand.
Clap your
Here,
hands.
everyone, they don't dance to entertain. Because tribal dances are rituals, or it means sacred. They dance when they have weddings, good harvest, and other ritual occasions. All night long, the women and children dance. The men, they play the instruments. It's a form of prayer. And they have their two-string guitar. Because before the arrival of the six strings, the modern guitars, they already have a two-string guitar. They call this kudyapi or kultungan. Kudyapi is considered as one of the first guitar we have in the Philippines. So let's hear the play. Wow.
Magaling kawaw yung ano nila, magaling. Anong
Nalimutan ko yung share. Okay, that's there. Music. Magsukur. Ano nga sa inyo mama namilan yung magaling? Mapanday. Okay.
mapanday, wow.
Panday.
Magaling
Mapanday
din ako
si
si
Pao.
Pao. And so, that's their instrument and that's the music they call boget, which means bird song. Their music or songs are mostly related to nature. That's why they call that one boget or bird song. They have another one they call aruding. An instrument they use their mouth to play
Yes.
through vibration.
Mm.
Aruding is a
May
piece
ganyan
of a
ako.
wild pop.
Parang harmonica.
On top, they
Yung
put
ano yung
beeswax to
ginagawa,
adjust the sound. So let's hear them play. Demi aruding. Okay, that's their aruding. Magsukur! In the mountains, they play that all together dahil mas maganda pag marami tumutugtog at mas masaya pag marami. Aside from those instruments, they are hunters. We have their hunting weapons. The two special spears, they call surayang and ligid. Don't worry ate. Hindi ko to gagamitin sa'yo. Ano siya, tumayo siya, natakot siya eh. So, these spears are called surayang and ligid. Surayang is not for harpoon for fishing. This is used to trap. For example, there's a wild pig nearby, they just simply throw the spear. Because of the hooks o yung sima na yan, hindi yan matatanggal sa target nila sa katawan. If it for example, the wild pig, if it tries to run or escape, this metal will only separate from its handle, like this. So there's a possibility this will get stuck between trees, bushes, so the target cannot go far. They follow up using this other one to kill that target. So basically, surayang to trap, ligid for follow-up kill. But this spear is not just for follow-up kill. Long time ago, this is not for hunting animals. By that, you know what I mean? This is not an ordinary spear. From their ancestors, this is over hundreds of years old spear. Handed down to them generation after generation, which means this is really old. An evidence din of barter trading from other countries long time ago. And they use this for members of the tribes that are outcast for them. Those who are incest. You know that? Incest. Pinag-aasawa ng kadugo. They call that simbang. They use this for those kind of members of the tribes. And they have blow dart. During the rainy season, they have birds and squirrels as part of their diet. But before that, they have a small piece of bamboo they used to imitate or copy the sounds of birds. Tapos,
Hindi po,
Hindi siya mahalan sa ano?
Knock snake, oh.
Ayun no.
Ano ba yan?
May subcopy sa baba, ma'am.
Wala, makinis siya, no?
Saan nila nakuha yan? Doon din sa ano?
Dito po yan.
Knock snake. Kita mo snake?
Ganda.
attention po sa lahat. Attention po. Who is the owner of the Wigo na kulay
Thank you.
Thank you.
Super.
Support. Tara, tara.
Wigo na kulay black.
Rainel, tara dito.
Ba't yan naiyak si Nene? Wait lang guys, wait lang.
Dito tayo sa souvenir shop. Yun, ang lolo. Saan si Mama? Sarado ang Baywalk. So,
Ano lang ito talagang ganyan.
Ayusin namin yung
okay,
cake
we're here at
natin.
Baywalk.
May candle. Wala tayong ano, may candle pala.
Maraming kainan dyan, oh, sa tapat dyan. Ay, si birthday girl, tulog, syempre. Tulog yan. Tulog. Ayun ang cake ni birthday girl. Birthday girl cake. Ayan ang cake ni Bujong-Bujong. Ayan, tulog. Oh. Tulog ang birthday bird. Dito sa Baywalk sa Puerto Princesa. Ah, tulog ang birthday girl.
May fish.
Saan?
Kanina, gumano no?
Rainel?
Wala.
Saan ka? Dito kami sa Baywalk.
Okay. Ah.
Birthday.
To you.
Ayun na, blow mo.
Happy birthday birthday to ikaw. Ikaw may birthday. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Blow na yung candle.
Blow candle.
Hello?
Blow mo na, blow. Ganda oh. Happy birthday. Blow mo na yung candle. Blow.
Ba.
Blow.
Bo.
Tawa siya.
Okay, dito tayo magdi-dinner ngayon. Ayan. Ang laki ng hipon.
Ito, 200 ang rice na.
Ang kabila kay Bert. Bert, ano to?
5 po.
Ay, isang ganyan.
Opo, tapos 2 chocolate.
Happy birthday to you. Wow, may cake ah. May cake ah, may cake ah. Wow, may lobo. What color? Nak. Ay, handa mo. Oh. Nakakapagod na first day. And see you tomorrow. Okay, second day na kami. Nak, kaway-kaway ka na, Nak. Second day na tayo.
May dede pa da.
Ate, may dede ba? Papunta kami ngayon ng El Nido. Ayan ang lugar ng papuntang north. Puro bundok. Stop over muna kami. Isa pa daw kuya. Para wala nang sukli. Hindi mo tayo mais, lagkitan. Ayan o, bundok. Tanin mo yan kuya? Medyo maliit lang, maganda. Gusto nyo maliliit lang? Eh, ganito oh, madam. Sige, ganito na lang po. Thank you. Maganda yan, lagkitan. Yan, food trip muna tayo with Meow Meow.
Ayon sa pag-aaral, sa mga kabrigada, posible makarating.
Welcome Indo Beach.
Polling Drug House, RSM Drugstore,
Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia.
Samantala, pagkakaroon ng mutually beneficial decision
Okay,
sa
hindi
isyu
daw tayo
ng
sa
20% na taripa pa rin, Estados Unidos sa Pilipinas, sinasahan sa pulong ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
Moises Padilla, Pontevedra, Valladolid, Caseriana, Agos City, Lacarlota City, at San Enrique.
Ganda yun. Bundok. Okay guys. Patanong mo tayo ng tour natin para bukas. At tayo ng tour agency. daw, beach. Ayan o, beach. Wow, beach. Beach kami, beach. 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 Ayun yung mga bangka na sasakyan natin bukas oh. Ayun oh, ang ganda ng ano nila oh, buhangin ako. Oh, sige na, ligo ka na. Ligo. Ayun yung sasakyan natin bangka oh, yan ganyan. Yung may taas. Oh. Okay, just walking. Tara na. Let's go na. Walking. Here at the beach. Walking. Walking. Final. Ito ang uulamin natin ngayon, lobster. Okay, 4,001 kilo. Anak, hawakan mo. Dali. Dali oh. Yan, papalo. Ayan, mag-uulam tayo lobster. Ayan, lobster. 4,001 kilo. Libre luto. Tuwang-tuwa ang birthday girl. Ayan ang date natin. Dito tayo sa El Nido. Sige. Sige. Ayan, luto na ang lobster. 700 isa. 700 isa.
1,000 lang dalawa.
Oh, may git 2,000, 2,000 di ba yung tatlo? Parang sa La Union din dati ma. Nanakpan tayo, magnanakpan ng mga magagandang lahi. Uy, fresh coconut, 50 pesos oh.
Pinapagdala tayo ni mga tubig-tubig pa, ibig sabihin.
Ganda naman dyan oh, may mga yan yung ganyang damo. Sarap mag-camping dyan oh. Nak, nandito na tayo sa Nakpan Beach. Liligo ka na? Ayan oh. Buksahe na. Tara. Yay, bibitch na. Bibitch ng maliit na bulinggit. Sige. Dito tayo magpa-park. Ayan. Dito tayo magpa-park. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Nakpan Beach. Excited na ang bulinggit. Di ba? Excited na ang bulinggit maligo. Ang pangit ng beach ngayon. Maalon nak. Ayan, dito ka na sa Nakpan Beach. Malas na. Tara. Ya. Dito tayo ngayon sa Nakpan Beach. Oo. Yes! Ang buko madam oh. We're here at Nakpan Beach. Wow! Sige na, punta ka na. Ganda. Malakas ang ano ngayon, alon. Tara nak. Diretso. Sige na, binili ko na, ligo. Kuya. Tara nak, doon, lakad tayo doon. Yeah! Nasa Nakpan Beach kami! Yeah! 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 Sabi mo? Yeah! Yeah! Tara, walk, walk, let's walk. Yan, walk, 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 walk kami. Okay. Ha, ha. Ayos ang beach dito. Katatapos lang kasi ng bagyo kaya yung alon malakas. Ayan o. Pero goods pa din. Tingnan mo, buhangin. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng buhangin. Tuwan-tuwa oh. Tuwan-tuwa ang dalaga. Ayan, ayan oh. Ganda ng buhangin oh. Oh, di ba? Di ba? Ganda oh. Oh. Wow, wow. Wow. Ayaw pang pumunta sa Gedli. Gusto pa maglaro ng buhangin. Ano yung ginagawa mo? Yeah. Naman chill-chill lang tayo dito sa Nakpan Beach. Yan. Hi madam. Ano bojong-bojong ha? Little sassy girl. Ano, happy ka? Happy?
Upo ka? Sige, upo ka.
Upo daw, upo. Upo. Hi, upo siya, upo. Upo. 3 5
Dito ka, dito ka, dito ka.
Happy, happy, happy. Ayun na, ayun na. Ayun na. Ayan ang mga lolo't lola. Tamang chill-chill lang.
Ay, nandun ka kayo tayo.
Nak, hi ka. Ayun. Bye-bye. Dito ka sa gilid, doon ka dyan. Ay, may kamukha si Ugo. Ugo, up, 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 up. May pagkain oh. Up, 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 up. Madam, ayan na. Madam, ayan siya. Gusto mo nito? Ito yung lahi ni Ugo. Nako, tignan mo oh. Pag nakakita siya ng, ng pagkain, nagtitrick siya, nakaganyan siya. Ayan oh, may hopya. Ikaw dahil nahuli ka tawagin mo yung mga kabaraks mo doon Formation kayo sa labas. Take life ka pa